If you're trying to decide between ConvertKit and AWeber, you're in the right place. Both are popular email marketing platforms, but which one is actually better for your needs? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to pick. Plus, I'll share an even better alternative that most people overlook. First, let's talk about ease of use. AWeber has been around forever, and while it's improved, it still feels a bit outdated compared to ConvertKit. ConvertKit is built for creators. It's clean, minimal, and makes automation way easier. AWeber, on the other hand, has a more traditional email marketing setup, which can feel clunky if you're looking for something modern. Next, let's talk automation. If you want simple autoresponders, AWeber is fine. But if you want more advanced workflows, like tagging subscribers based on behavior or creating highly personalized email sequences, ConvertKit wins. AWeber does have automation, but it's nowhere near as intuitive as ConvertKit's visual builder. Now, pricing. AWeber used to be one of the most affordable options, but now it's actually more expensive than ConvertKit at certain tiers. ConvertKit has a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, while AWeber's free plan is more limited. Once you start growing, ConvertKit's pricing can get high, but it often provides better value because of its automation and creator-focused features. Deliverability is another key factor. AWeber has a strong reputation for getting emails into inboxes, but ConvertKit is also solid. Plus, ConvertKit has more built-in tools to improve open rates, like better segmentation and subscriber management. Templates and design, AWeber has more traditional templates, while ConvertKit keeps things simple with mostly plain text emails. If you need fancy templates, AWeber is the better pick. But if you want emails that look personal and get better engagement, ConvertKit is the way to go. Customer support. Both offer good support, but AWeber has a slight edge because of its phone support, which ConvertKit lacks. However, ConvertKit's knowledge base and chat support are excellent. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, old-school email marketing tool with templates and phone support, AWeber is solid. But if you want a modern platform with better automation, better segmentation, and a cleaner experience, ConvertKit is the clear winner. That said, after trying all of them myself, I found an even better alternative that combines the best features of both without the downsides. If you want the best option for email marketing goal, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.